Hi kids! Oh wow! A bunny! This is so cute! A yellow color bunny. Do you like it, kids? You can also open this.
Whoa! Wow!
Let's open it.
No. Hiya!
Wow, small candies. Let's join it. Now keep it aside. Today we will learn alphabets. Oh wow, color pens! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Green, blue, yellow, purple, red, pink, and our last color is orange. Let's learn alphabets. Blue color. J. J for jar. J for jasmine. Red color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kettle. Pink color. L. L for lollipop. L for lamp. Orange color. M. M for magic. M for mouse. Green color. N. N for nuts. N for nose. Yellow color. O. O for octopus. O for owl. Purple color. P. P for papaya. P for polar bear. Our next color is again pink. Q. Q for queen. Q for quarter. Our last color is again blue. R. R for radish. R for rectangle. Now say with me kids. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Bye bye kids.